Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Special Line Graphs worksheet. So this video presents some worksheets where we look at some very special graphs that can be drawn on the number plane. So let's have a look at this first worksheet. So this one asks us to draw the lines y equals 1, y equals 3, and y equals 5 on the following number plane. So we have to draw 3 lines on this number plane. The second example asks us to draw y equals -1, y equals -3, and y equals -5 on the following number plane. I'll leave this slide here on for about 30 seconds or so, and then I'll move on to the next slide, which has more questions on it. You can pause this slide for as long as you like, of course, so you can provide the answers. I'll move on to the next slide now, and here it is. So here's another slide, and here we're asked to draw the lines x equals 1, x equals 3, and x equals 5 on the following number plane. So we have to draw 3 lines on this number plane. The next slide asks us to draw the lines x equals -1, x equals -3, and x equals -5 on this number plane. So I'll leave this slide on for maybe 30 seconds. You can pause it for as long as you like so that you can answer the questions. Okay, we have 2 more slides coming up which have the answers. So here's the first slide. With this one, we can see that's the graph for y equals 1, that's the graph for y equals 3, and that's the graph for y equals 5. And those 3 red lines are parallel to this x-axis. Over here, we also have 3 lines that have been drawn. Here we have y equals -1, y equals -3, and y equals -5, and each of these lines are also parallel to the x-axis. We'll move on to the next one. So for the answer to question 3, we have to answer or draw those 3 lines. That's the line for x equals 1, the line for x equals 3, and the line for x equals 5. And each of those 3 lines are parallel to the y-axis. And finally, here we have x equals -1, x equals -3, and x equals -5. So each of these lines is parallel to the y-axis.